Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make 3D video from photo with CapCut apps. Alright, so open the CapCut apps and then tap on your project, select your photo you want to edit, and I'm going to select my project here. And how you can make 3D photo, show you are just going to tap on the clip, select the style, and then you can looking for the 3D effect. So here's you can select the 3D zoom pro or 3D zoom. So I'm just going to select the 3D zoom pro. Just wait. Alright, so you can try for the 3D zoom. Just wait for generating the video effect. Alright, here we go. Just click check marks, and this is the final effect you'll have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.